Hello again guys, here is Andrew talking to you from my channel WebDev. Today we'll be talking about how to design a character. We got four main points to help you design a character from scratch. If you are a professional, if you are a beginner, or starting your career as an artist on DeviantArt or Pixiv or other social media websites about art, you will find this video so helpful for you if you are going to design characters as a commission for others. Original characters. Assume the first main point is how you are going to collect your own artboard. Sometimes you get a description. Sometimes you get a description from the creator of the character, and sometimes it's not enough for you to build a character from scratch, an original character based on your own imagination. So you have to collect data about the character. First, you will ask the writer, the author, or the creator about the description. Like an example, today I'm drawing an alien-shaped character. So the author or creator told me that this character is an alien that transforms from a human to an alien form through some kind of futuristic watch on his hand. So this was helpful to me. Besides, he said it's like dinosaur and shark at the same time. So, as a history of aliens, you will get a grip of most of alien designs are based on big, large eyes. So when I tried to design this one, I had to look at a couple designs of aliens, and the one that got my mind, the one that got my eyes was Stitch from Disney, Lilo and Stitch animated movie. So I saw that the eye shape or the face shape will help me a lot while designing this. So this kind of history, it's like when you're drawing a knight or an elf or a werewolf, you'll have to study the history of this creature and the creators who have mastered creating characters such as these. Like if drawing a vampire or creating a vampire from scratch, you have to understand and read about Stoker, Dracula. You'll have to also watch a couple of movies and read some novels about this. It takes a matter of time, so you'll always have to be sharpening your skills by studying other artworks and other styles or other artists, other media, games, movies, anime, cartoon. This will help you a lot, but don't put all your reference, all your artboard on these ones. The third point for the main point board is your imagination. As I said, imagination through the games, the movies, the anime. I said that already. You'll have to narrow your search after you study those and search for those online on Google or Pinterest. Narrow your search to 3 sections with the 3 magic letters. WWW. Why, where, and when. Why, where, and when. Those are very important questions you should ask yourself about your character. Why does he look like this, or he will be having to look like this. Where is he living? Where these events are taking place, and when? It's the future, the past, or present, or a negative zone, whatever it is. And those points, the first main point, the board, the art board that you already created by collecting some images and some data. As I said, I use the Lilo Stitch and the street sharks designs. I like those. Those were very amazing and astonishing cartoons for me when I was a kid. So they always came to my mind when I try to design this character you are watching right now. Second main point, reference. To get a good reference, which might mislead with third subpoint from the board, it's like playing video games, the good ones, be picky about this, the stories, the art, the subject about this game. If sometimes you find that there is a nice art, an amazing artwork, and which in the end be a bad game, so you can't play it. I can't recall a game right now, but I have faced this issue a ton of times before, so I couldn't play the game, so I had to download the art and the cinematics from other websites to study them carefully to help me create and enlighten me to be a better artist at my job, better professional one. The next one, you will have to be more active and more thinkable to get more data from DeviantArt and ArtStation. Also, our social medias. Our social media is very important for you to help you to overcome issues like an art block, or when you don't know where to put this line, or here or there, or how we're going to make an alien design from scratch. Our DeviantArt, ArtStation, Pixiv. Don't always get your imagination and background about character and designs from the games or the movies, because they already have done before. Sometimes you will have to look at other artists, sometimes you have to look at the nature around you, the bugs, the animals, the trees. Study the bugs actually when you are starting to design aliens. You'll get so much benefit from designing the insects and the bugs and the bacteria with the virus design creation. Help you a lot. The third main point is the pose, which is called anatomy and proportions. After you get the grip of all what I said before, you will know now the character you are going to draw. You will have some basic shape designs in your mind. All you have to do is put those on a paper and start sketching. You will get a fine design, I presume. The body mass here is the one that I find most artists fall from this part, for don't make it very good one. The body mass is very important. If you are going to design a brute or a scout or a heavy one or a commander or a super alien or a lone survivor alien, the body mass is gonna help you a lot to give this feeling to the reader, to the creator, to the author. It will help him to make more depth. It will help you. Help you with to give more depth to the character. This will also make you able to create a color wheel, color scheme, a color theory. You'll be thinking about, I'm going to put a yellow here, or blue there, or red there, or black. You will know by that time where to do, or how to color that, or how to color this. The fourth main point is my taste actually, is mixing the mix in the art mixer. Mixing the mix. Mix all those in a single drawing like this one. I already said that I got the face concept from a shark, and I had a real shark image, and I had to think about the street sharks animated one and look about the artist features that gave them life to be unique designs and funny and astonishing and epic designs like street sharks animated. And Lilo and Stitch, the alien from Disney movies, and about the body mass of this character. This character is a villain, so I had to make him look like his thinkable ones that gave him a big head. A big head means that sometimes he uses his brain, while spikes and big muscles give the other way around, that he used muscle to destroy his enemy. So he's double-edged character, that he can use his mind and he can use his muscles. When you think about the body mass and the muscles, the first one actually that I love watching his artwork is Jeff Metzoda. Jeff Metzoda master about body mass and designs, unique ones, to give the watcher or the reader the body features or the theory, the background of the characters, the history of the characters. So through lines and through body mass, you're going to make him the mysterious guy, powerful mysterious guy that's gonna give the body more body mass while make the head small, or if he's spooky character or scary character, make him look very tall and with very long limbs and fingers to catch his prey. So those are very basic main points I already say: the artboard, the reference, the pose, the mixing in the mixer. The pose is not so important when you design a character for an anime or an animated movie or a comic, but as a commission it will help you a lot, because in this point you're going to draw this character one single time. The creator will ask other artists to draw this character, so you'll have to give enough detail about this character through the pose. I remember reading the Red Line animated book. When I read it, I thought that the character designs are out of proportions, but excuse me, those were made for this. The artist wanted to design the character sketching here and there to give the feeling, to help the animator after him and the betweeners and the key artist to get the grip of the full character. So his main job wasn't to make right proportions or other things like that. It's like sketching with rough sketching and get the job done. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. You can always contact me and send me your drawings to help you make them better or give you some advice. Thanks again for watching guys, and goodbye.